Welcome back to the channel. I've got some new boots to show you today. They're from Dksuko. I got these for gardening and yard work, but they can also be used for hiking, fishing, or any number of activities, daily wear. Stay tuned to find out more. So these boots come in a variety of colors and of course different sizes. They also come in girls' sizes. They come in white, yellow, pink, navy, lots of colors. So you can check the link below if you want to take a look at what is offered. I got brown because I thought that would be best for everyday use for my purposes. I will try them on in a minute, but first let me show you more about them. So I ordered these boots from Amazon and they were fairly inexpensive, I think about $27. So I was a little skeptical about the quality, but they seem to be very well made. They're made of a composite rubber material, and the inside is a fabric. The sole is rubber and it's grooved to be anti-skid. Take a look at that. It looks very sturdy. The heel is thick, about 1 3/4 inches, so that should wear well. And of course they have the buckles on the side, and these buckles are adjustable for it to individualize your comfort level, make them easier to get on and off. Best of all, these are waterproof. I have a pair of boots that I've had for some time that I'm very fond of wearing, but I'm tired of soggy socks. If I go out, even if the grass is wet, my feet are wet, so they're not waterproof. So I'm looking forward to wearing these. I'm going to try these on now. So here are the boots. They are very comfortable. I've got my jeans tucked in, and there's plenty of room for that, which I like. I can, of course, also wear them out. I'll put one in and one out. How's that? Normally, I think I would wear my jeans outside the boot. I did go up a size with these because I was reading some comments that they tend to run a little small, so I'm glad I did. They're nice and comfortable. They're roomy enough now that I can wear a bulky sock or put a shoe insole in there if I want to. They don't cut into my calves at all, and as I said, I have room to put my jeans inside. So I'm looking forward to wearing these and not getting soggy feet. Some people do wear them hiking, motorcycle riding. I don't think I'll be doing any motorcycle riding, but I am looking forward to wearing them on a daily basis. So that's a look at the Dksuko rubber boots. They are a good value for the price. They certainly seem to be. And check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.